Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Bonita Inn Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Southern California, this motel is 3 miles from the Aquarium of the Pacific. Its guest rooms feature a 42-inch flat-screen TV and a free welcome kit that includes snacks and toiletries. Free Wi-Fi access is included in every room at La Bonita Inn Motel. They are equipped with a microwave and a refrigerator and have wooden floors. The reception at the La Bonita Motel Inn is open 24 hours and offers free printing services. A guest launderette is also on site. The historic Queen Mary Convention Center and historic Pine Avenue is 4 miles from the motel. Disneyland Park is less than a 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.